You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more Hebrew vocabulary, biblical names as well, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. In Hebrew, the pronunciation is as Diblaim. Diblaim. In English, however, how to pronounce it's generally pronounced as Diblaim. Diblaim. Easy once you know Diblaim, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.